Excuse the rough demo here. It's cold. Let's see how cold it is. What better way to show you guys than when we see, well, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's so cold that I had to push it multiple times. Hold on. Hopefully I got enough battery. Keep going. Alright, so this is aisle level. Aisle! Yeah. 1 sec. Whoops. Not bad. Okay, 6.1. Here's the cold start. And just to show you all the temperature. It says it's a little bit. 1 sec, it'll go back on. There's the temperature here. It's colder than that though, I'll tell you that. That's it for now.